Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually reverse your age with a simple yet natural drink. Now this drink is great, is amazing, and it's literally going to help you to glow you up. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and now guys, let us go. For you and for you to look 20 years younger than what you're looking right now. If you're 20, that means you're gonna look like a baby, guys. Like, trust me, this is an amazing drink that would help you to look super duper glowing. Okay, so guys, we're going to be making use of green tea. Green tea is an amazing drink that helps you to reduce weight. First of all, if you must look young, you have to reduce all of those weight that you have going on. Okay, so it helps, it contains an antioxidant that helps you to, you know, stay healthy, and it will also help to flush out some of those bad fats, and you're going to be looking really healthy and young, literally. Okay, so now we're going to be getting warm water. This is my warm water, and I just open up the green tea bag and then I put it inside the warm water, and then I would have to hold on for a little bit. You can see the water is actually changing on its own. Yeah, you know how it is. That's how green tea is, definitely. Okay, so I'm gonna be keeping that aside for the water to cool down, because we need to drink it cold, not hot. Okay, and now again, the next ingredient which we're going to be needing is lettuce. Now lettuce leaf is an amazing leaf that is used for salad. Now, do you know why they use it for salad? Yeah, of course, I know some of you guys do, because you can actually eat it fresh and you don't have to cook it. Okay, and it helps you stay healthy, young, and it also helps you glow from the inside out. So I'm going to be taking about 2 or 3 lettuce leaf. All right, so we're gonna be washing this. Have to sanitize it really good. And then we'll have to cut it this way. So after doing that, we'll then transfer it into the blender. Now the very next ingredient we're going to be making use of here is apple cider vinegar. Alright, so when it comes to you staying healthy and looking young, guys, you're going to be needing apple cider vinegar to stay healthy, flush out sickness, and never fall sick, therefore looking really younger. So I'm going to be putting 2 cups of apple cider vinegar into this lettuce leaf, and after that I'm gonna be putting in water, then we're gonna blend. Alright guys, so after doing that, Then here is our lettuce leaf. So I'm going to be bringing in the green tea. I'll get a strainer and then strain the lettuce leaf into the green tea. And this is it. Okay, so we're equally going to be putting in cucumber. Now if you must look younger, you would have to be taking so many vegetables, and we're going to be needing cucumber for this, guys. So I'm going to be cutting just a little piece of cucumber, and then have to sanitize it, wash it really well. And then I would have to slice it again so that my blender can blend it very well. Put that into the blender. Put just a little bit of water because the cucumber contains a whole lot of juice. And then I'll blend. So here I have my cucumber all blended up, and now I'm going to be sieving this out. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be getting my drink, and then I'll turn in the cucumber juice, and here I've got it. Now I'll have to remove the green tea bag, and this is my ageless drink. Okay, believe it or not, like, people will not believe your age anymore because you're literally going to be looking younger than your real age. So you have to take this at night. Okay, take this 2 times in a day. For a younger you, you're gonna take off 20 years of your age the minute you start taking this drink. This drink is gonna be really awesome. It tastes nice and I love it, and I know you're going to be loving it too. So go give this a go and you're not going to regret you did. So this drink is going to help you to remove 20 years off your age, and it is quite amazing. It's going to also help you to flush out your colon, and it's going to make you stay fit, literally. Okay, so I'll see you again in my next video. Go give this a go and you are not going to be regretting it. Okay, all right guys, so I'll see you again, and bye guys. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share.